Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Bexar County Court at Law number 6 and the Bexar County Veterans Treatment Court. Today is our arraignment docket. Today, I guess, is going to be all day long, the 25th of May, 2021. It is approximately 2:10 p.m. In the future, if you wish to avoid coming to our arraignment docket, although I know most of you look forward to this, all you got to do is A, stay in touch with your client. And if you can't find your client, you got to let us know. 2, get an offer from the DA. If you don't have an offer from the DA, ask them and they'll be happy to give you one. 3, know what you want to do. If you want a jury trial, just tell us that and we'll set you for a jury trial. We don't know when that's going to be exactly, but at some point in the future. If you have an agreement with the state, get with Pat. She'll let you know when our plea dockets are and you can pick one of those and go from there. So at this point in time, those are the 3 questions I'm going to be asking you. We got Mike Bellevue with us today.
I am here, Your Honor.
Mike, what's going on with Mr. Maldonado?
This is his first setting. I do need an offer, but like I said, this is his first setting since he was arrested.
Hey, can you go ahead and shoot an offer off to Mike for Mr. Maldonado?
Yes, Judge.
And let's reset you for 1 week so you can get the offer and talk to your client and get back to us on what you want to do. Fair enough?
That's fine.
You got anybody else? Yep, got another one. Talk to me about Mr. Pineda.
I've been waiting for an offer on that one.
All right, State, once again, shoot him an offer if you would on Mr. Pineda.
Yes, Judge.
And we'll reset this one for a week also, Mike, and we'll get back together next week. Fair enough?
All right, Judge. Thank you.
You bet. Jason Goss, are you with us today?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
There you go. Talk to me about Anthony Iskro.
Yes, Your Honor, we have several issues going on with that. First, this is a case that was he's got the new case was a felony case, was filed as a felony wrongly. It was a walked warrant. They put my client in jail for about 40 days on the warrant at $150,000 bond. His bond was reduced to 50. I got him out. The DA finally figured out the charge was wrong, and then they went and filed it as a misdemeanor. We have filed. He has been on a GPS monitor that this court has put him on because he supposedly got a new felony offense, which was not. We have filed a motion to we just want it removed because he's been on this thing for years now. He had an issue where it fell off of him and he had to get it put back on, but there was I guess the court put him on full house arrest. So there's all kinds of things. My client is a veteran. He's an F-16 fighter. He was 20 years in the Air Force. He was honorably discharged. We are in Travis County in a felony veterans treatment court. We're in the application process, and we're assuming that if and when we get into that felony veterans treatment court, which the prosecution has agreed to, then we can take care of these as well in like a joined veterans treatment court.
All right, let me back up. Does he have a case in Travis County right now? Is that correct?
Yes, he does. It's about two years old or 2.5 years old.
That was the felony that would reduce to a misdemeanor. Is that correct?
It has not been reduced. They offered it to be reduced to a misdemeanor or veterans treatment court, which we have applied, and we're still in the application process.
Okay, and so the only case we've got in Bexar County is this deadly conduct. Is that correct?
Well, there's a deadly conduct and a terroristic threat, a new terroristic threat that they did file as a felony wrongfully, and then the DA didn't do it. The DA figured out pretty quickly that it wasn't a felony, but the police officers went and walked a warrant on a felony when they shouldn't have.
Yeah, Your Honor, he has a active warrant right now on that terroristic threat.
In our court?
Yes.
In our court?
Yes, Your Honor.
Why does he have a warrant for a terroristic threat in our court?
Your Honor, I'm assuming that it must be because of the fact that it was reduced to a felony, and so they issued a warrant at that time. That's the only thing I'm thinking.
To a misdemeanor.
Yes,
right.
Your Honor.
That is right. That's correct, Judge.
Let me ask the DA to throw in here. Alexis, is this you or Nick today, whoever's on top of this?
It's me, Judge.
About a month ago or more. When it first came up, Nick, I think I spoke to you about it. What's the status currently from your side?
Judge, there are, how should I put this? There are things, people above us who are monitoring this case and kind of have a hold of it. So any decision I make would need to be run through them first. This is not your average terroristic threat or deadly conduct.
All right, but right now, as we speak, on the paper, we've got a deadly conduct and a terroristic threat, not against the same person. Is that correct?
That's correct.
All right. Jace, do me a favor. You got my cell number, right? Don't announce it to everybody, but everybody should have it. Give me, after it's over today, call me today. And after I get a chance to talk to the state in private after our arraignment docket's over today, and I'll have, by that time, I'll have taken a look at why he's got a bond increase or whatever he's got. I don't know why he's got a warrant. I'll find out. Okay.
Okay. Judge, can I just tell you, I know why. It's because they dismissed the felony case and then they filed a misdemeanor case. Our misdemeanor case got filed, a warrant got issued for his arrest.
Exactly.
But my point is he paid a $50,000 bond on the felony that never should have been a felony in the first place. So he had to pay $50,000 that I had to get reduced from $150,000 that never should have been filed. And when they figured out they made a mistake. So my point is why would he need to pay another bond on another warrant on a misdemeanor case when he's already paid $50,000 for the same exact charge? And that's I'm not yelling at you, but it's frustrating to me that a mistake on the DA's part would cost my client in a warrant and an additional bond.
Well, you're preaching to the choir. However, you used to be a high-speed guy in the DA's office, and you more than anybody knows how it was supposed to work and how sometimes it doesn't work. So Nick has already informed you that this is above his level. You may need to be talking to somebody up the line after I chat with Nick and Alexis after our docket's over today. Then I'll talk to you. We may have a new point of contact for you to talk to about it, okay?
Okay, Your Honor. So just to be clear, what we're asking as well is I want him off. I'm asking the court to take him off of this GPS track and monitoring. He's on a partial house arrest GPS. He hadn't been able to leave. He's a traveling salesman for work. He's been basically housebound for like 8 months because of all of this. And it's causing him psychological damage by this point. And I'm asking for it to be removed because the only reason it was put on him was because he got this felony that didn't turn out to be a felony. And so I want that removed. And then we're asking for the warrant to be withdrawn or for at least a bond to be set at like $1,000 so I can just go satellite him in and out. But I can't satellite him in and out with a GPS monitor on him because they won't accept him.
I understand.
So,
let me get to the bottom of it. And when I can educatedly talk to you about it this afternoon, I will. That'll be after docket. I've got your cell number. I know how to get up with you. Okay.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it.
Is that the only case you got today?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm putting a big red square around your guy, so I won't forget. All right. Thanks.
Okay. Thank you. Judge, can I ask Nick who it is over him that I might have to talk to if I do have to talk to anybody?
It would be the director, Mike Davis, Sergeant Mike Davis. I'm not sure if you know.
Okay. All right. No, that's cool. Thank you.
It's the head of Fusion.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it. Appreciate it. Thank you.
I'll get better, Jace. Thanks.
All right. Thanks.
Eric Hernandez, are you with us today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Eric, talk to me about Brianna Vela.
Your Honor, I do have an offer for her on the DWI and the theft. She also has a case pending out of 13 that is awaiting trial on a family violence matter. I don't know if the state wants to do something about this, if they're changing their offer or not, but the family violence is going to trial, and that's out of 13.
Is a theft case a family violence case, or is there one I can't see? This one says theft.
There's a theft case. There's a DWI also out of your courtroom,
Yes.
and then a family violence out of 13.
Okay. State, do you have offers on these cases, or are you trying to do all three at the same time, I'm guessing?
Judge, I can try to do all three at the same time, but since I've been here, every single email I've tried to reach out to family violence, they don't respond, so.
Well, how unusual. Mr. Hernandez, what's going on with, have you talked to the family violence folks about this case yet?
I have. I've reached out to them. I've told them that she's demanding trial on that one. They're saying their complainants, what I'm hearing is a bit wishy-washy whether or not they want to prosecute or not. So it looks like it's going to trial.
All right. Is this all on the same day or 3 different days, 3 different cases?
3 different days.
Okay. Well, State,
I can reach out to her about these cases, see if she wants to plead on these and ask for a 2-week reset so I can report back to the court what she tells me.
Let's do a 2-week reset, give you a chance to get with our DAs and the County Court 13 DA and see what you can do. Fair enough?
Fair enough.
All right. You got anybody else today? Yes, you do.
I've got 2 more.
Jeff Tyler, let's talk about.
Mr. Fox is seeking VTC. I believe he's been screened, and I don't know if we have an update on that.
Let me see if I got my VTC guy with us today.
This is on.
Chris, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Have you got Tyler Jeffrey Fox on your radar?
Mr. Fox has been pre-screened a long time ago. We sent him the information. He is yet to get back to us at all after multiple attempts. He was moved off the good standing to the failure to follow up tab. So it's been quite some time since we've talked with him. So if he is truly interested, he has the application. So I don't know what the possible holdup could possibly be. But that's where we're at, Judge.
All right.
I'll reach out to him, Your Honor, and find out what the holdup is, because I know this was a program he was interested in.
Let me give you, or let me let Chris give you his contact information. And when you get up with your guy, you can tell him if he's interested to call Chris immediately and give him a green light or a red light, whether he wants to go or he doesn't want to go.
Okay.
Even if he doesn't want to come into the VTC, he's still going to get what I call collateral VTC. The DA still makes him a sweetheart deal outside the VTC based on his military service. Okay.
Great. Sounds good to me, Your Honor.
Chris, you want to give him your contact info?
I think I've exchanged emails with him. Let me see real quick.
I think we have, sir. I think we've talked about Mr. Fox quite a bit.
You know, the upside of the VTC is he will probably get a track 1 offer, which means that his case will be dismissed if he successfully completes the VTC. The downside is he won't get away with anything while he's in the VTC. So if he wants to keep drinking and doing fun stuff, the VTC is not a good place to be.
So, Your Honor, are you resetting him for how long? A week?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
And then my final one, Your Honor, is Ms. Carnelia Booker. I'm reaching out to the state. I've reached out to them to see if they will agree that PTD application can be submitted on her behalf. I spoke with her this morning. She's interested in PTD. I just need the authorization from the state to submit that application.
Okay. Has she actually filled out the application yet, or you have to go by and get one? How's that work?
Not yet. I've got an electronic copy that I can fill out with her by phone. And if the state's agreeable, I can get it submitted in the next day or 2.
Hey, do you give a pretrial diversion on ladies that are beating up our police officer?
We've got to look into it, Judge.
All right.
I'll
Let's
follow up with them by email, Your Honor.
Eric, let's reset that one 2 weeks to give the state a chance to see if she's eligible for PTD and get back to you on that. State, also on Mr. Tyler, do me a favor. Obviously, at this point, you can't really give him a VTC offer because you haven't gotten in and gotten all the cards on the table. But if you look at the case, you can give him an outside the VTC offer and with some slack cut because of his military service, then Mr. Hernandez would be interested in seeing that also so he can tell his client how it's going to work one way or the other. Fair enough, Eric?
Sounds good to me, Your Honor.
All right, 2 weeks on all of it.
Yes, Your Honor.
Y'all have a good day.
All right.
Ryder with us today.
Cecil Bain here, Judge. I'm a little late from another court.
Your Honor, Mr. Everett Hyder is on, Your Honor.
Okay, I need Mr. Kreider at this time.
Present, Your Honor. Mr. Devin Scott.
And bear with me, I'm looking for you. Oh, I see you, Everett. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Talk to me.
And last time we were talking to the state, they said put him in DOEP so we can continue discussions on this. He is in DOEP with Texas Health Services, I think. He will finish his classes Friday, so we're asking for a 2-week reset to come back and continue our discussion with the state.
All right, State, are you happy that he's doing your DOEP like y'all told him to?
Yes, Judge.
2 weeks good for everybody?
Yes.
And he will have finished the DOEP by then, I'm guessing?
Yes, sir. He should be finished by Friday.
We're probably going to give him a UA then too. Tell him to be good.
Yes, sir. I'll cross my fingers and tell him to do so.
Okay, thanks. You're cut loose, Everett. Appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.
Ivan, you've got about 300 cases with us today.
Good afternoon, Judge.
All right, with Julian Ramos.
So Judge, that's Austin Hagee's client. He's in a hearing right now, so I'm filling in for him. We have made contact with him. An offer has been tendered, and we'd like some more time to relay that offer.
Another week, okay?
That'd be fine, Judge.
One more week on him. David Rios.
Same thing, Judge. That's Austin Hagee's client. We have made contact. Offer's been tendered. We'd like some more time to relay the offer.
Another week on that one, okay?
Yes, Judge.
All right, Samantha Lundstrom.
She's my client, Judge. I have made contact with her. We do have an offer. I need to confer with the state.
One more week, give you a chance to do that. Fair enough?
Fair enough, Judge.
Michael McDaniel.
That's my client. I have made contact, have an offer, Judge. I sent a counter offer to the state this afternoon. Just waiting on a response.
One more week. This Jenna Del Barrio.
That's Austin Hagee's. We've made contact. We have an offer. He'd like some more time to relay the offer to the client.
One more week. Michael Guerra.
On this one, Judge, that's mine. I made contact with him. He wants us to withdraw in his case. He picked up another case and would like to apply for a court appointed.
Okay, just let Pat know on that one.
Okay.
We just need the withdrawal. As soon as you do the withdrawal, I'll appoint him someone.
Right.
Okay.
Now let's reset it for a week to give you all a chance to do that, but we'll cut you loose. It's not a problem. Okay, so that takes care of Mr. Guerra. Jason Mungia.
This is Austin Hagee's. We have made contact, Judge. We do have an offer. Mr. Hagee would like some more time to relay that offer.
1 week. And Frank Booth.
That's mine, Judge. Made contact. State's allowing him to apply to PTD. I've already submitted the application last week, so just waiting for an answer.
Let's reset 30 days so we can get a chance for the state to chew on that and give us an offer or say yes or no. Fair enough?
Fair enough, Judge.
If y'all hear from them before that, just let Pat know. Okay?
Will do, Judge. Judge, I also have two other ones that are not listed under my name.
Okay.
I have Chad Hammonds. He's on page number 10. He's the first one.
Okay, my page numbers aren't driving with your page numbers.
Yeah.
What attorney name is on it?
Will Salazar.
Okay, I got him.
Got it. Chad Hammonds, UCW.
Yes, Judge. He hired our firm. I filed the notice of appearance. It's still pending, so we don't have access to discovery, and no offer has been tendered.
Okay, state, can you fire them off an offer? Let's reset for a week, and if y'all need other discovery that you don't have yet, just get it into them, and they will comply.
Who's the next one?
Ivan, who's your next guy?
And then lastly, it's Miguel Vieira. On mine, he's on page 12. It's under Will Williams.
Got him. Is Mr. Williams?
Yes, Will Williams.
Okay.
Got it. Miguel Vieira, correct?
Yes, Judge.
And what's going on with that one?
This is Austin's case. We have made contact with him. No offer's been tendered, so if the state can just provide one.
Let's reset for a week. State, fire them off an offer if you would, please.
Yes, Judge.
And what else you got? Is that it?
That's it for me, Judge.
23 is all you can get together today? That's it? Okay. You're cut loose. Thanks, Ivan.
Thanks, Judge.
Okay, Ms. Eccles is here.
Good afternoon, Judge.
And let's talk about Joe Martinez.
Judge, he has two cases. You'll notice he also has one out of County Court 7.
Okay.
So I don't know if there's going to be one transferred someplace or not, or what the status of that is. I don't know.
I cannot transfer it unless County Court 7 asks for it. If it was coded family violence, our case was, then I could transfer it. But if it is not, and it's not related, then I cannot unless they ask for it.
Let me back up. What is the case? Is it an ABI case that's in County Court 7?
In County Court 7, Judge, it is a terroristic threat.
And then the emergency telephone interference business is in the same incident with the terroristic threat, allegedly?
I'm not sure. I think so, though, Judge.
All right, Pat, it's your ability. See if they're the same date. If they are the same date, remind me, I'll call the judge and we'll transfer them over there.
Well, and the DAs can look at it and let me know also.
Reset for a week to find all that out.
Okay.
State, find out what y'all want to do if your family violence people want this one or they don't. And otherwise, if they don't, would you please fire off an offer for the one case that we do have?
Yes, Judge.
And we'll see you in a week. Joanna, that work?
Yes,
He
that will
has
work.
another one, Your Honor.
Javier Caballero for you also.
Yes, Judge, I have contact with him, and the state sent me an offer, and then I sent them an email back asking a question which has not been answered. Can you give me a reset for a week, and then we'll know?
We'll reset that one a week to let y'all figure that out. And that's all I got for you, I think.
Yes, it is. Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Our new Fo Ortiz, are you with us?
He was, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yes, I am, Your Honor. He's got a felony MTR that is based on this driving while license suspended. And I expect them to try to help me with this case, but they haven't set that case yet. So I'm asking for a 30-day reset on that. In addition, I filed a motion to modify bond conditions. I'm asking to follow the bond condition modification that was done by Judge Moore, which says that he can go to work. And we don't have the specifics of his work because he's a low man on the totem pole, and we don't know what shift they'll give him. But he is an air conditioning duct repairman, and we'd like him to go to work.
Okay, here's the plan. State, go ahead. And obviously, you normally don't do this. I don't know if your uppers want you to do this or not. When we have a misdemeanor and they have a felony pending, or he's actually on probation for the felony, though, right? He just has an MTR pending.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's correct.
So, State, go ahead and fire off an offer on the DWLI. And do we have a setting on the MTR yet for you?
No,
Your
sir.
Honor.
Any chance we can get this guy a driver's license? It'll be street legal by the time you get to the MTR.
I don't know. This is not his first driving without a license.
Oh yeah, it's in hand.
Yeah.
Serial driver. What you got there is a serial driver. Okay.
Yeah, he this thing about driving to work, he doesn't want to go on the bus. Some people don't like the bus, but he should. Get a bicycle, maybe.
I'm gonna reset 2 weeks, not 30 days. State, get him an offer and we'll go from there. Fair enough?
Fair enough. You're changing the bond conditions, Your Honor, so he can go to work.
I just saw your motion and I don't know what his bond conditions are right now. I have to look at it, but I'll be happy to look at it and get back to you. Fair enough?
Fair enough.
All right, thanks.
You have an order. You have an order.
Yes, he has it.
Thanks for your help. I knew I could count on you.
All right.
Ryan O'Donnell.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Joe Diaz, what's going on?
We have an offer. My client wants to accept it, so we would be asking for a plea date.
Pat, over to you.
June 3rd, if you can send me the email address
Very well.
at 2:00.
And I've got a McLeod Glay. I'm not sure how to say it.
Your Honor, that's a case that has another case of intake. It hasn't populated in the CGS computer as of today.
Oh, I'm confused. Does that mean the information has not been filed on it yet?
Exactly.
Yes, Judge. It's another evading misdemeanor, and it's not showing in the computer as of today.
Okay, well, I'm looking at a failure to stop. Is there also an evading out there somewhere?
At intake, yes, Judge.
Okay. Hey, you know anything about that?
Judge, the information has been given to intake. I don't know what's going on in intake.
Do me a favor, just check on the evading, find out when it's going to actually hit, let Brian know, and send him an offer on both of them. Will that work?
Yes, sir.
Can you do that in a week, or do you need 2 weeks to do that?
A week.
Okay, Brian.
That'd be great, Judge. Thank you very much.
I don't remember the defendant, but you got a motion to dismiss for lack of speedy trial pending on another case. Is that correct?
I believe I do, Judge. I can't, I would have to look.
I sent it to the state yesterday to get a look at it. They haven't had a chance to look at it yet. So after they look at it, we'll come up with a hearing date or whatever the state's going to do at that point.
Very well. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Yeah. Thanks. You're cut loose. Timmy Roundtree, are you with us today?
don't believe he's checked in, Your Honor.
Take that one, knock it away.
I saw him on the screen.
Juan Hernandez, are you with us today? Juan, you out there? Andrew Priest, are you with us today?
No, Your Honor.
John Farmer, are you with us today?
Hello, Your Honor. I'm here.
Norma Beltran.
Hello. This is the first setting. I made contact with her this morning. She actually was confused about the hearing time, but I was hoping to receive an offer from the state and a quick reset, possibly a week, if possible.
Reset for a week, give state a chance to give them offer. State, can you fire them off an offer in a week?
Yes, Judge.
Thank you.
Okay,
And
thank you, Your Honor.
you're out of here. Judge Barron, you're with us today.
Yes.
Bob, talk to me about Juan Velasquez.
He was here.
Bob Barons, come in.
He must have.
Very good. Come back. Jonathan Perez, I see you lurking. Talk to me about David Flores.
Yes, sir. I'm here. David Flores is a transfer, Your Honor, for VTC. I'm looking to get an offer from the state, both fast track and also regular offer, and then reset for a week, Judge, if we can.
Okay, by me. State, that can work for you?
Judge, is he applying to the VTC?
Yes.
He is applying to VTC, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has he already put in his initial application or not?
I'm going to have to follow up on that, Judge, but we'll get it in by the end of the day, if not.
Chris, is David Flores on your radar at this time?
Chris?
Chris is a Marine, so sometimes we have to wait a while till the end.
He must have gone off, Your Honor.
All right. And we reset. I have it all figured out by next week. Thanks.
It's Bob Barons. I am here. I just couldn't find my damn square.
I understand. Talk to me about Juan Velasquez.
I've got an offer I need to speak with him about. I don't know if you guys can put us in a breakout room. He's on the line as just says Juan.
Sure. Pat, can you put him in a breakout room, please?
You need to speak with Juan. Okay. Yes. Yeah. I'm going to go into room 1. And you said he's under 1, Mr.
Yeah, I believe so.
Okay, I'm a 1. And
Juan, yeah.
Find him.
Juan, you should see something pop up. You need to click to join it.
There you go.
It's like Star Trek. People just disappear.
Mm-hmm.
All right. John, talk to me about Derek Zach, Z-A-C-H.
I'm in contact with him as well, Judge. I need an offer and then looking for a short reset.
All right, let's do the same thing. Start off an offer and we'll reset for a week. Will that work, John?
Yes, sir.
I think that's all I got for you that I know of. You got any more?
No, that'll be it, Judge.
That's it.
You're out of here. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Ray Martinez, I see you out there with your Santa Claus beard. What's going on with Jose Salazar?
Mr. Salazar, Judge, his felony just got dismissed last month, so I'm not sure if there's blood results. I think it's a DWI. I'm not sure if there's blood results or not.
Okay, so the DWI is still pending, we think, or we don't know?
No, his felony's dismissed. He just has this case.
He just has this case, Your Honor, this DWI.
Okay. Have you received an offer yet?
I don't believe so, Judge, no.
State, can you fire him off an offer? We'll reset for a week to give him a chance to look at it.
Yes, Judge.
That work for you, Ray?
Yes, Judge.
That.
And I have one more with the same issue.
I've got a Lida Parker.
Yes. On both those cases, Judge, it may be they can't give me an offer if they don't have blood results, but we'll find out.
Expect the worst instead of an offer. Say that's set for a week because the blood results may take 60 to 90 days these days. Does that sound right?
They're taking a little while.
Yeah.
So a week from today, Judge?
Yeah.
Okay.
Even if the patient doesn't have blood, they can look at the police report and the video, and that'll give them a pretty good idea of any impairment that may exist, whether it's serious or not.
Understood.
Okay, that's all I got for you, Ray. Is that it?
Yes. Thank you, Judge.
Bernie Campion, talking about Michael Cepeda.
Yes, Your Honor. Good afternoon. We have received an offer from the state. I've conferred with my client. We're in the process of doing some additional investigation on the matter. So the decision as to whether or not to accept it has not been made yet. And we should know hopefully within a week.
Okay, let's reset a week. Let's all figure it out. If you need more time, just get up with Pat.
Thank you, Judge. All right.
Is that the only one you got?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hey, Bernie.
Thank you, Judge.
John Perez, you out there?
He should be.
Going once, going twice. Robert Valdez, are you with us?
Sir, I'm here.
I see you over there hanging out in the office, hiding from everybody.
We're waiting for, we submitted our papers for PTD and we're waiting, still waiting, Judge.
Okay. Did we not reset it for 30 days? Have we passed 30 days from them trying to tell you whether they'll accept her for PTD or not?
Last 30 days.
Hey, do you have a status for this one? I think this is getting old.
Your Honor, I'll double check on that, but
I don't have any update on PTD stuff.
Is this the lady that's kind of going back and forth from California to Texas? Robert, is that the one we're thinking? Robert, I'm going to reset this for 2 weeks. And if you haven't heard from the PTE deal, just let Pat know and we'll set it for 2 more. You don't have to show up at the next arraignment setting, okay? Ball's in the DA's court.
Okay.
you're going to set it for 2 weeks, Your Honor? Okay.
They trying to check with their PTD people and get a go, no go.
Okay, Your Honor.
I know what I've got for you, Robert, I think. Does that sound right?
All I have on the docket, Judge.
That's it.
Thanks for your help. You're out of here. Ben Stevenson.
I didn't do it, Your Honor.
There he is. Talk to me about Richard DeCastro.
I've been in contact with him on prior settings. We only had a police report, did not have any photographic or video discovery. Came to my knowledge this morning that we suddenly have video. I've been trying to download it since this morning, and it is not letting me download it. So I'm having some technical difficulties. It does look like we suddenly have a bunch of discovery. It may be enough. So I was hoping to have that in hand by now so I could have it reviewed before court. But the discovery system is not cooperating with me.
Let's give you a reset for 2 weeks to give you time to figure all that out. Will that work?
That'll work.
Got anybody else today, or is that it?
I have a guy, according to the D page, he's on today, but I think he's getting reset because he's in jail. Do you have a Francisco Serrano?
No, he went. I took him off. He's in jail. I did let the DA know that you wanted to discuss him. So I'm sure they'll get back to you, either email you or call you regarding that.
So breakout room would not be appropriate at this time then?
Not this time.
I will reach out to them. Thank you very much. May I be excused?
We can still send you to a breakout room. There just won't be anybody else in there with you.
I'm used to being all alone, Your Honor.
Thanks for getting out of here. Appreciate it.
Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Adam LaHood.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. We have very late, just about an hour ago, so we're hammering it out. I think we have a deal in this case. We'll just need a date to come back and get it all entered in.
Okay, it would be June 3rd, and I need at 2 o'clock, and I need the email address so I can send the paperwork.
Okay, Pat, I'll send you that email via chat. And you said that's June 3rd, correct?
June 3rd.
Okay. I'll message you my email right now then. Thank you.
Thank you.
Today, Adam?
Sir?
Yes.
That's the only person you've got today?
Yes, sir.
All right, you're out of here. Thanks. Gary
Thank
Turek.
you.
I don't believe he's on, Your Honor.
He's out golfing. I know where he is. Okay, Adam Flores.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm here, Your Honor.
Talk to me about Alia Carmichael.
Yes, Your Honor. We're waiting for the ADA to approve her pretrial diversion.
Okay. How long ago did you put in the application?
Well, we never put it in, Your Honor. I think we need. I believe that. I think we believe the ADA has to approve it first before we. So.
They haven't approved it.
Can I talk to
I
you?
approved it March 17th.
Okay, in that case, we could apply today.
Okay, so she has been approved for pretrial. She just needs to put in her application. Is that correct?
Correct.
All right. Let's reset for 2 weeks to give you a chance to do that. If you actually get the application in, just let Pat know we don't need to see you in 2 weeks. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, I have another case. It's not on the docket today, but it's not on the docket today. But if you want, we could finish the docket and we could talk about it later on, Your Honor.
Tell us what it is and what it's about.
It's an MTR, Your Honor. He has an MTR. The bond set at 10,000, and we're asking for a PR bond, Your Honor. It's an MTR.
Defendant?
I'm sorry.
What's the name of the defendant?
defendant name is Sergio Diaz.
You got a
Diaz. Yes, Your Honor. The case number is 639414.
Is the person in jail currently?
No, Your Honor. He wants to turn himself in, but he has no money to pay for the bond. I filed a motion for a pure bond, Your Honor.
Okay, well, Pat, you can go ahead and set him on the next MTR docket with next Thursday, probably?
Yes, next Thursday.
You know, if the guy actually gets popped and goes to jail, let me know and we'll talk about bonds. In the meantime, he's still out and about and he's not in jail, so he can just show up on Zoom for the MTR hearing and we'll get rid of it.
Is right this Thursday?
Yeah, next
Thursday.
Next Thursday.
Yes.
That'd be fine. That'd be fine. I'll be there.
All right,
And
thanks.
I'll send you the information.
All right, thank you.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Sean Brown or what? Who's here? Anybody here for Sean? Ed Cano.
Hey, Judge, I'm here for Taylor Snyder.
Talk to me about Taylor.
How long have I had her?
No, are you in contact with him?
Yeah, I do have contact with her now, Judge. She had a felony case that looks like it's been resolved, but it's kind of hitched to your case in a sense. So now I did send an email out to try to get a proposal on it. I don't have one yet. I'm not complaining. I'm just giving you status. And I don't have any video on this thing. I do have a breath test result, but so we're looking to hopefully make a deal on it.
So the felony is resolved right now. There is no felony pending, correct?
Well, it's supposed to be closed, but they want her to plea on this case.
Hey, you know what's going on with that?
Not at this moment, Judge.
Okay. Yeah. Theoretically, if she works a deal on this case, the felony prosecutor is then going to dismiss the felony. Is that where we're at?
Yes, sir.
All right. What court is the felony in? Do you know?
Yeah, let me just get that for you, Judge.
Normally, the prosecutors send down whatever their requirements are on the probation to the misdemeanor prosecutor.
Yeah, it's 187th.
All right, Alexis, if you just contact the felony prosecutor 187th and find out what they want you to do, and we'll go from there, I guess, and let Mr. Cano know.
Sounds good, Judge.
Let's reset for a week. Just keep you on my radar, okay, Ed?
All right, Judge. Same time?
Yep, same time.
Okay, Judge. Will do.
Thanks.
Thanks. All right. See you.
I see you. Talk to me about Gregorio Herrera.
Oh, hi, Judge. Yes, our last setting was for a plea, but it got taken off the docket prior to that plea because the DA informed the court that one of those cases was being reviewed to be refiled as a felony. I checked as of yesterday, nothing has happened on that. So I do not know what is going on with that.
Hey, that's an excellent question. What's going on with all that?
1 second, Judge. 648-757.
Is the failure to stop the one that they may make a felony, Beth? Is that the one you understand they're talking about?
Yeah, it's a theft case. Yeah. Let's see, they were going to look at it for an unauthorized use. It's 648-758.
That's the okay.
Yes.
Nate, if you need a week or something to figure it out, we'll just reset it and move along.
Yes, Judge. Could you please set it for next week?
Let's reset for a week with the understanding that they'll get back to you within that time and that you know exactly what's going on, okay?
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
All right, thanks.
Judge, I'm back from talking to my client, Mr. Velasquez.
Yeah.
639-268. We have an offer. I need to speak to a witness that he's given me contact information for, so I'd ask for a regular reset.
Office. A week will give you enough time, Bob?
Hello. How long?
A week will give you enough time?
Maybe.
Is a week enough time or you need 2 weeks?
2 weeks would be better.
All right, give Bob 2 weeks.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank
If
you.
you can figure it out before 2 weeks, let Pat know and we'll go from there.
All right. Can maybe we do?
Hey, Bob.
Yes.
All right. You can sign off, Juan.
Bob, you got anybody else today or is that it?
I think
That's
that's
it.
it.
All right, thanks. We're out of here. Zachary Munoz, are you with us?
I don't believe he's checked in, Your Honor.
Gammon Gwynn, are you with us? Gammon, always.
Yes, Your Honor, I am.
All right, here he is.
I got an offer from the state. They're much more on top of things than I am. I would like to convey the offer, and if you could please give me 2 weeks at least. It looks like they're going to have to recut my neck. They'll find out tomorrow when they put something down my throat. I mean, they'll find out tomorrow when they put a tube and look at it.
Let's reset for 2 weeks. If you need more time than that, let Pat know. And also, this might open up a new avenue. You could like do Walt Disney character voices. What do you think?
Well, I'm looking for an offer I can't refuse, but I think they've done the best they can as far as the voices. I had 15 years birthday on Sunday. Now, what a waste if I don't make it through this.
All right, well, take care of yourself, Gammon. We'll see you in a couple of weeks.
Y'all have a safe, healthy, and beautiful day.
You too.
Thank you. Paul Acevedo.
Yes, Judge.
Talk to me about Desiree Howell.
Okay, I got the blood results in already. I just need some time to confer with the state.
We give you enough time?
Yes.
Done. And you got anybody else today, or is that it?
That's it, Judge.
You're out of here. Thank you. Andrea Casares, are you with us today?
Thank you, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Talk to me about Martin Casares.
I need to confer with the state to get an offer.
Okay. State, would you
And
go
he
ahead?
is present.
Hey, send an offer over to reset it for a week, give y'all time to do that. Will that work?
Yes. Do I get to speak to someone today, or do I need to contact them after court?
Give you a week, and you get a week to talk to them anytime you want.
Okay. So may I be excused?
You bet. Thank you.
Thank you.
Rosabelle, are you with us?
I am, Judge.
Talk to me about Stephanie Alejandro.
I have emailed the state. I need to get an offer from them. I haven't gotten one yet, Your Honor. And I have the next case, Viviana Oliver. Yes, I've emailed. I'm waiting for an offer.
Is there more than one case we're dealing with here?
Yes, Your Honor.
Two defendants. Sorry.
One's a DWI. What's the other one?
DWI.
Two DWIs. That's colorful.
Yes.
State, is a week going to give you enough time to look at these and get an offer to Rose?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Is that okay with you, Rose, a week?
Sounds good, Judge.
And you've also got Viviana Alvarez.
Right. She's the second DWI, Your Honor. Same status, waiting for the DAs to give me an offer.
Okay. State, send an offer over and we'll reset this one also for a week.
Okay.
And
thank you.
That's all I got.
That's all I have.
Thank you. You're out of here.
Thank you.
Yes.
Hey, Judge.
Lewis, I signed your first amended motion to dismiss for lack of speedy trial order. Good one, the first amended one that's got all the right information in it.
Yeah, the one that looks like it's supposed to look, that one. Yeah.
I were worried somebody would go back and look at that in 10 years and we were idiots.
Well, I'm not saying that I'm not an idiot, Judge, but let's just not make it obvious.
All right, talk to me about David Escamilla.
Mr. Escamilla is here. I know that he's had some conversations with vet court. I wanted to make, I've got him here present on the Zoom to make sure that we're going and doing the things we're supposed to be doing. I know that he's had conversations, like I said, with vet court. I'm trying to figure out what the next step is.
Chris is on.
Chris, are you back with us?
Yes, sir. Sorry about that. The internet is acting stupid.
Have you spoken to Mr. Escamilla yet on a VTC application?
Yes, sir. We've already got the application. We're tracking exactly as we're supposed to. Everything is, he's done his part. We're just waiting to knock out the remainder of stuff and then get it submitted for an offer. Yeah, he's good to go.
Lois, let's reset for 2 weeks. You've already done what you need to do, and now the ball's in the VTC's court. Mr. Escamilla, have you been evaluated by the VA guys yet?
No, sir. Actually, on Lackland Air Force Base with the ADAP program.
Okay. So you're active duty at this time?
Yes, sir. I'm currently awaiting a deployment as well. So I'm just trying to go do my due diligence, whatever you need, Judge.
How soon do you anticipate leaving, if you can tell us that?
If I could tell you, Your Honor, President Biden POTUS is pulling us out of Afghanistan in the anniversary of September 11th. So we're spinning up pretty fast here to get our boys and girls home from Afghanistan. So I'm looking at a September deployment date.
When I left Afghanistan in 2003, we were winning. I don't know what you guys are doing over there now.
It's the same thing with Iraq, Your Honor. We're just trying to get out and get our boys and girls home.
You've got my direct permission to go anywhere the U.S. Air Force decides to send you under military orders. So just let your attorney know what's going on with that. Don't worry about us. In the meantime, we'll keep doing what we're doing until you're going. Fair enough?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Is that okay with you, Lewis?
Absolutely fine, sir.
All right.
Hey, Judge. I'm glad he mentioned that he's getting ready for the deployment. His packet is actually already set up to the DA. We're just waiting for an offer, and I've discussed with him regarding the deployment and the different rules of the VTC. So it's going to be a case by case.
Okay. So you anticipate it getting to the DA in the next week or so, or how long?
The DA has it, Your Honor.
Okay. So Nick, if you wouldn't mind putting that on the front, because we may lose Mr. Escamilla to the war on terror. We don't know yet. Okay, just let Mr. Martinez know what's going on with you, Dave, and we'll be okay from there.
Thank you, Judge. Stay safe.
Take care. You too. Okay. Lewis, you got one more. I got a Clifford Davidson.
Yes, Judge. I need to make sure that he's in touch with Chris and that the process is going on him.
What do you set up a table right outside of military bases and pick these guys off as they're coming and going to work? How are you getting all these military guys?
That's how it works, Judge. That's how it works.
Terry and Ashley are doing it too. They've got this they broke the code. They haven't figured it out.
Yeah, no, we hang out at the tattoo shops.
Chris, Cliff Daverson on your radar for VTC yet? Chris, are you hearing me?
Say the name one more time, sir.
Sure. Clifford.
Yeah,
Sure, Clifford. It's like Harley Davidson, but different.
Clifford.
He was on the radar in the past, Judge. Fallen off. Haven't had contact with him in quite some time.
Lewis, what's going on with that?
Judge, he's been coming to court, so I don't know where we fell off the.
Is he with us?
The track.
Is he here today?
Yeah, he's on Zoom today.
Mr. Davidson, can you hear me?
Yes, Your Honor.
You want to go in a breakout room with Chris and let you all try to catch up on what you need to do to continue your application with the VTC? Will that work?
Absolutely, yes, sir.
Chris, go in a breakout room with Mr. Davidson. Pat, can you arrange that?
Room 2.
Lewis, you're welcome to go too if you want.
Okay, I will. Then, Judge, am I excused from there?
Yeah, otherwise you're excused. You're already on our radar.
Okay.
Okay, let me put you in 2, and let me find Mr. Davidson. I'm in there as well. Hold on. There he is. Okay. Mr. Davidson, you're going to see a button to join. That's what you need to hit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Terry, you're here for Ashley, it would appear, on Cody Eastridge.
Judge, I think she got Mr. Eastridge reset. I was here for Curtis Saver. It's one of Jody's cases.
She did not get him reset. She told me about a plea for someone and I took him off, but she did not tell me anything about Mr. Eastridge.
Okay, that's no problem. Mr. Eastridge was originally in 11 and transferred for VTC. I believe he's already done his screening and his packet is in, and that we're just awaiting an offer from the district attorney's office. I don't know if Chris can.
A formal application to the VTC.
You're
sorry,
Judge.
Okay, well, I got Chris in a breakout room where he'd be able to tell it. But right now, I'm going to reset it for a week, but with the understanding that if his application has been received, we'll get back to you and tell you.
I'll reset it further.
It'll be 30 days instead of a week. So it gives the VTC guys time to percolate all that. Okay?
Okay, sounds good.
But she's here also for Jody Sawyer, Your Honor.
All right.
Curtis Saver.
I got you. Curtis Saver, go ahead.
This is an arraignment setting. I haven't received an offer from the state yet. I can, of course, send them an email, but if we could just reset this for pretrial conference to confer.
Go ahead and fire them off an offer, and let's reset for a week to give you all a chance to get that offer, and y'all can talk to your client and get back to them.
Understood. Will I receive a date certain from Pat, or am I just assuming it's Tuesday next week?
What you'll receive, the instructions, the Zoom, and a docket, and it will probably be Thursday that I will send.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Might be
You're
excused,
welcome.
Judge.
We're good.
Thank you.
Isidoro Montoya is not on.
Blake Moore still alive?
Robert Wilson instead is.
Robert, are you here for Blake?
Yes, I'm the main attorney for Jeremy Barnes.
Isn't Blake supposed to be in Dallas or somewhere?
He is. He's in Tarrant County right now. He and I both file in on the pleadings, but I'm the main attorney on all South Texas.
Okay, talk to me about Jeremy Barnes.
Okay, I was waiting on discovery, and I believe I put in a waiver of arraignment for my client. He's available to get online right now. I have been in contact with him, and I'm waiting for discovery.
State, is discovery online on this case?
Which discovery are you looking for?
Jeremy Barnes, there's two cases, 654449 and 654450. One's
Right.
unlawful carry and the other one's a DWI.
Are you missing video or?
Well, I maybe I don't know what I'm doing and I need to confer with the state. I used to get emails and I would go off the email and go get it. So I haven't received the email.
Oh, okay. I'll look into it.
Let's do this. Let's reset for a week to give the state time to send you a big deal today offer. And also you're going to have to specifically determine what you're not getting in discovery and let the state know and they'll get it for you. Okay?
1 week from today?
1 week from today. Is that okay, state?
Yes, Judge.
Got anybody else today or is that it?
That's it.
Tell Blake I said hi.
I will.
Mike White, are you with us today?
Yes, I am, Your Honor. I have Johnny Rodriguez, and it was a very recent appointment. He has no phone number, and he is homeless, and his bondsman could not give me any information that would help me find him. So I've had no contact with him.
All right, we're going to have to issue an FTA on him in the nicest possible way. If you find him, let us know. We'll pull it back. If we find him, we'll let you know and get it worked out.
That's good. Thank you, Your Honor. I may be excused.
You bet.
Thank you.
Alma, I see you out there. What's going on with Tyrone Black?
Hi, Judge. How are you?
Hi.
All right. So, Judge, we're here on 654-787. Date of offense is January 28th. And the state was going to let us know if they were going to file a second case with a date of offense of January 26th. And I haven't heard back from the state, so I don't know how they're going to proceed.
Alexis, you know the answer to that question?
Not at this moment, Judge, but if you just give us 1 more week, we'll figure it out.
Okay, Alma, let's do it for a week to give them a chance to find that out and get back to you.
Okay, sounds good, Judge.
Got anybody else today or is that it?
That's it.
All right, thanks for your help. You're out of here.
Stay safe.
And
William David.
Bill Davidson, are you with us?
Yes, sir.
Talk to me about Jose Valenzuela.
Sir, in both of those cases, I have written the DA to ask for offers, but we're still in the process of getting an offer on one of those. I have 2 cases. On one of the cases, I can't seem to download the discovery on Martinez, Losa Martinez.
Talk to me about Valenzuela first, then we'll go to Martinez. Valenzuela is a DWI, it looks like.
Correct. That's an open container DWI, and I am just waiting on an offer on that one.
All right, State, can you get them an offer in the next week? We'll reset that one for a week so you can get your offer and talk to your client. Will that work?
Yes.
And then on Mr. or Miss Upper Martinez?
Yes.
You're in contact with her?
I have not contacted her yet, but I have contact information. I just have wanted to download the discovery first, and it just hasn't downloaded for some reason.
Do me a favor and make sure you can get her on the phone, and otherwise we'll reset you for a week.
Okay, I'll talk to her today.
All right, thanks. Got anybody else? Is that it?
That's it.
Bill, is that it?
Yes, sir.
Thanks. You're out of here.
Thank you.
Hey, Lopez, talk to me about Jacob Juarez.
Afternoon, Judge. You should be present. We emailed the state, have not received an offer yet, so we're still waiting on that.
Let's reset for a week. State, can you fire him off an offer the next week?
Yes, Judge.
And is that the only one you got today, Ray?
That's all I got, Judge. We excuse.
Out of here. Appreciate it. Pat
Thank you.
Montgomery, talk to me about Daniel McKenzie.
Hi, Judge. I talked to him already. He wants a trial. I tried to get the e-discovery, but like for everybody else, it was down for me as well. It's uploaded into the system. It's just that nobody can get it to download today. So give me about 2 weeks. I'd like to review it with him. I can't express an opinion to him about the merits of his case until I see it.
We can do that, or I can just set it for a jury trial, and that gives you the rest of your life to get it figured out.
That's all fine, Judge. He's demanded a trial, but he's done so without benefit of my advice, so
All right,
2 weeks.
2 weeks then. How's that?
I appreciate the offer, Judge. 2 weeks is fine.
If you have any problems with discovery or something's not working, just call the state and they'll get it figured out from their end.
Great. You take care, sir.
Yeah. Thanks, Matt.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Are you with us?
I am, Judge. Good afternoon.
How can you about Hero Gloria?
Yes, Judge, that should be dismissed already. He entered into PTD contract on May the 6th. And so I was watching it because usually they dismiss it about 10 days later, but we haven't received the dismissal. So I was going to follow up with Beatrice after we get off Zoom.
Okay. State at your ability to check and see if that's been properly dismissed or not. Let Dave know.
Will do, Judge.
We don't need to reset it because apparently it's going away. Got any more, David, or is that it?
That's it, Judge. May be excused.
Yep, y'all are slowing down. Only one case. Normally there's 6 or 7. Golly.
That's okay. We'll see. We'll see you in the fall. Have a good one.
Catherine Valenzuela, are you with us today?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm here on Christopher Belt, 657-386. I have just been in contact with them. I'd like to talk to him, and then I'll do 1 week, receive an offer from the state, and then we'll be good.
Okay, so right now you have not made contact with him. Is that what you said?
No, I have. I have.
All right, great. State, can you get an offer off to Catherine in the next week?
Yes, Judge.
And
good.
Your Honor, I'm here for Tony Jimenez on 2 cases.
Let me look for him.
I got case numbers if you need them.
Oh, I'm just looking for lawyers that'll work. I got it. No. Kevin Kite, one of them.
Now, Serena Rodriguez Love.
I don't see it for some reason, and he was on it, Your Honor. Oh, there they are on the bottom.
I've got a Serena Rodriguez and a Nikki Purcell, correct?
Correct.
Yes.
And what's going on with Serena Rodriguez?
Serena Rodriguez, he's still working with the state on negotiating the plea. There's some discussion about the weapon. And we would ask a 2-week reset on that one.
Okay. What's going on with the weapon? What's the question on the weapon?
The client still wants a weapon, Your Honor. So I leave that to Mr. Jimenez's finesse with the client. So.
You know anything about this case, or is Tony the only one that knows what we're talking about? Because sometimes they're like special collector guns that are worth $1 million and all that kind of stuff. Do you know what we're dealing with here?
Nope, I didn't want to go into it with them.
Why don't you tell Judge Jimenez if he's interested to give Nick a call, because Nick's kind of gun savvy, and chat with Nick about it.
I will, Your Honor.
All right, and then talk to me about Nikki Purcell.
Yeah, there's Mr. Jimenez has been retained on the DWI and the criminal mischief, and he's on the UCW. He has not been retained yet.
It's the other way around. He's
all right.
Yeah, retained on the UCW and the DWI, not the criminal mischief.
And we believe that's happening, and I know that the office is getting information about damages for the criminal mischief to see if they can be resolved. So I would ask for 2 weeks on that also.
You know if Judge Jimenez has received the offers on the 2 cases he has been retained on?
Yes, he has. He has.
Yeah, I've given him offers on all the cases, Judge.
All right. You want 2 weeks on that one too, Catherine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do that. No problem.
And I'm done.
Okay, and if you would, just ask Tony to call Nick and talk about what the gun problem is.
I will, Your Honor.
All right, thanks. You're out of here. And let me find my place. Okay, John Robinson, are you with us today?
Your Honor, that was reset prior to coming on.
Joe Stenberg, are you with us today?
No.
And Lisa Voigt, are you with us today?
I don't believe I have her either, Your Honor.
Lisa, we got to you. What's going on with the Virginia Valdez?
Yes, I'm in contact with her, Judge. I have not received an offer yet. It's a first appearance.
Next week. Alexis, can you get him an offer in a week?
Yes, Judge.
And Cecil, will just reset you for a week on that. Will that work?
Yes, Your Honor.
Talk to me about Isabella Sanchez.
Is that me?
That's you.
Yes.
Arrest.
Oh,
I
I
got
do not have that. Sorry.
44287. Probably, if you don't know about it, that means A, you haven't talked to your client, and B, you haven't received an offer. Would that sound right?
It would. The third deal is I don't know anything about it.
Let's reset for a week, let you find out what's going on, and see if you can contact your client. And Cecil's the assigned attorney. Go ahead and send him an offer on that if you would.
Judge, I remember this case. Mr. Bain wanted a better offer, and so I sent one on the 21st.
For the record, everybody wants a better offer. It's always going to be that way. That's what it needs to be. All right.
So did she send a better offer? That's what I want to know.
Yes, I sent it on the 21st.
Instead of sending him an offer, send him a better offer. That's the way.
Yes. Judge, I'm sorry. My wife usually does not miss those cases. Can you give me that case number?
Sure. I've got 644287.
I apologize, Your Honor.
Isabella Green Sanchez. Resisting.
I recognize the name. I'll follow up. Sorry about that. May I ask Alexis about a possible co-defendant on the Valdez case?
Sure.
I mean, she can look into that when she sends me the offer.
Are you talking about Virginia Valdez?
Yes.
Oh, that's Nick's case.
Yes, I didn't mean to add on, just I wouldn't want to do something not as good as the co-defendant got.
Okay.
Thank you. Be excused, Your Honor.
Thanks, Cecil. You bet. Judge Guerrero, are you with us?
Joseph's here.
I'm here for Monica Guerrero.
Joseph, you got stuck again.
Yes.
Talk to me about Michael Vasquez.
He was given a PR bond. He's not contacted Monica. Monica contacted the number on the voucher appointment letter, and there is no response. We need to offer, but there's no contact.
I'm going to issue an FTA warrant on him. If you find him, let me know. And State, go ahead and send an offer on that if you would. We'll find him eventually.
Yes, Judge.
Got anybody else today, Joseph, or is that it?
I got 2 for Joanne, and then I have 1 client.
Let me look for Joanne. Okay, I got a Leroy Maldonado, 629590.
Yes. So he has, I think, 5 cases, and all 5 have been filed. We have 2 cases that involve restitution, and we've asked for a jail offer, and we're waiting for a jail sentence offer.
Hey, can you look up all that cool information and get them a jail offer? You want a probation officer and a jail offer, or just a jail offer?
We'll take both.
All right. Can you send them a probation and a jail offer, please?
Yes, Judge.
And we'll reset that one for a week. Fair enough?
I swear.
Yes.
And I've also got a Rick Flowers.
Rick Flowers, we're in contact with him. We have an offer. Today, we contacted his felony attorney out of Georgetown. We're going to see if we can potentially run something concurrent. If we could just have at least 2 weeks to see if we can work out something for both cases.
All right. You want to just reset both of them for 2 weeks instead of 1 week? So Leroy Maldonado and Rick Flowers will be reset for 2 weeks.
Yes.
Okay.
And that's all I got for you, Joseph. You got anybody else?
Alejandra Rodriguez.
Just for Joanne, or who's the attorney?
That's mine.
He is.
Oh, you've got your own.
Yes.
How clever. I got Alejandra Rodriguez, 653-947 DWI. What's going on with that?
I'm in contact with her, and yesterday I received the email with the offer. I just need a week to go over with her. I'll let you know if she'll take it or not.
Sure. We set 1 week.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
You bet. Thanks, Joseph.
Next one is John Garcia.
John Garcia. Got Rashad Steele.
I'm here.
Talk to me about Rashad Steele.
Yeah, about 2 weeks ago, I contacted the district attorney shortly after I got appointed. My client's 17 years old, and I'm asking if he can have permission to apply to the PTD.
Cool. Thanks, Josh.
PTD program. If the other person can put themselves on mute, please. And that's what we're doing right now, Your Honor.
Go ahead. I'm sorry.
Oh, so I'm just trying to get permission to apply for PTD to my client.
State, are y'all offering pretrial diversion on UCW cases?
Not usually, Judge, but I'm looking into it right now.
Reset for 1 week to give them a chance to figure that out and get back to you. Would that work, John?
Absolutely. Thank you, Your Honor.
Gotta call the PTD people and ask them what they're doing. I think that's how it works. You have anybody else today, or is that it?
All right. I appreciate it.
You're out of here. Thank you.
I think that's it. And yes. Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. You have a good day.
Thanks.
Stay safe.
Hey, these are recent. James Myrat with us today.
Yes, I am. I have two today. I have Arturo Martinez, and we had a plea offer, and Arturo accepts the plea offer, and so if we can reset that for a plea.
Over to you.
June 3rd, and at 2:00, and I need you to email me his email address so I can send the paperwork.
Okay, I have all that
Thank you.
as well. And I have a Katrina Espinosa. And I have good contact with her, and she also accepts the plea offer.
So I need the same thing. It can be the same day that for you, James.
Okay, so I'm 2 for 2.
Yes.
Anybody
You
else
did
today, or is that it?
No, sir, that's all.
We're good. Thanks.
Thank you.
You're out of here. Kevin Stryker, are you with us today?
Yes, Judge. Good afternoon, Judge. I have Monica Aguilar or Monica Harone on the docket today. We have it worked out to a plea. We can do it this week. I've been hearing June 3rd. We can do it that afternoon too. Whatever's most convenient.
June 3rd would be the best, and if you can just email me her email address.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. See you June 3rd.
Appreciate it. Eduardo.
I'm in contact, Judge.
Thanks. Eduardo Jimenez, are you with us?
Here I am, Judge. Kevin Kite, but I don't have a plea on him. I think he's now on his third DWI charge. So
Yes, he's picked up a third, and I believe there's an active warrant on that third. It's an at-large case.
Is he on Scram currently?
Not that
I don't remember, Your Honor.
Gonna be. Do you have discovery on all three of these so far?
Not on all three, Judge. No, not on the most recent one. Yeah.
The most recent one, Your Honor, was filed like this month. And like I said, it's an at-large case, and I don't even know if there's a bond set on that. I'll have to get you that information.
Okay. State, take a look at these first two and take a look at the third one if you can get an arrest report on it, and report back to defense counsel and me how if they're aggravated or not aggravated. Obviously, two of them are seconds. They're all 3 seconds.
They're all 3.
This is a new world record. I'm trying to.
I was thinking the same thing, Judge. I'm like, my God, how is this possible?
Judge, I know Nick, he just left the room, but he said his recommendation is for him to apply to DWI court.
That's right. Yeah.
Why don't you go ahead and contact the judge in DWI court? If they'll accept him, we'll be happy to send him over. But he's got to be.
Judge. Just one more thing, Judge. It's off docket though, but it's your case, and it's another fellow with a warrant. I got a cause number and a name. I don't know if if you're able to look up cases there.
Not right now.
Oh, not right now. Okay,
No,
well,
sir.
can he turn himself in? How would you like him to handle that?
All right, now what are we doing?
This other guy.
The issue?
Say it again, sir.
What's the issue? What is it you need done?
He needs to turn himself in. He's got a warrant for his arrest issued out of your court. He's a no-show, essentially failure to appear. You put on his he's got a $5,000 bond with the conditions of Scram weekly reporting and UAs.
All right, bear with me. Is it an MTR or an open case?
It's an open case.
Okay. Get me you're in contact with him, correct?
Yes, he's actually in my office or in my lobby. Yeah.
All right. It's now, what time is it? 3:30. If he can hang around till about 4 o'clock, we'll be finished with this docket.
Yes, sir.
And if you either come back on at 4 o'clock or you have my cell number, I can't give it out to you over the line, but I want you to get in contact with him because as long as he's wanting to cooperate, I can pull all that stuff back and we can start over.
Yeah, he is. He's here in my lobby. He can't. I told him to report to you, but he came to my office. So
keep it at your office until our docket's over today, and then you and I'll talk and see if we can't work out the details.
No problem, Your Honor. I'll come back at 4. Okay.
All right. Okay, let me back up here. Pat, remind me to order Scram on Mr. Kitey's. A little too colorful for it. Andreas, I got you for Marbella Lopez Macedas.
Yes, Your Honor. The state has tendered an offer, and it is in line with her immigration requirements. I just have to get with her and read her the Padilla admonishments. If we could reset for a plea, I think we're probably going to be able to execute that.
All right, Pat.
Okay, I need to double check and see how many I have for that day, Your Honor. Hold on. I don't want to give us too many. Yeah, we can do it on the 3rd at 2 o'clock if you'll send me her email.
The 3rd at 2 o'clock. Okay.
Yes, we're fine. Thank you.
That the only one you got, Andreas?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
You're out of here. Go make money.
All right, we'll do.
Thank you. Michael Goins, are you with us?
Your Honor, that's going to be a plea.
Okay. Ignacio Barreto, are you with us?
I don't believe he signed in, Your Honor.
Jesse Zapolta, seems like I saw you a minute ago. Jesse with us?
I'm here, Your Honor.
Talk to me about Oscar Campos.
I just received an offer today, Judge. I'd like to have a week to review it with my clients and maybe review some of the discovery as well.
All good. Got anybody else today or is that it?
That's it.
See you in a week. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cesar Montalvo, are you with us today?
I don't believe so, Your Honor.
Charles Mice, are you with us today?
Yes, Your Honor, right here.
Talk to me about Jose Pena.
Mr. Jose Pena, I'm in contact with him, Judge. I think I got all the discovery on him. So I just need an offer from the state.
State, can you fire him off an offer in the next week? We'll reset it for a week so you can get your offer and talk to your client. Will that work?
Judge, I'm waiting on the co-ban before I can make an offer.
How long will that take? We have no idea.
You know how they've been lately.
New and improved DA's office. And also the police have been doing that for a while. Let's reset for 2 weeks to try to give the state time to try to track that down. Will that work for you, Charles?
That'll be fine, Your Honor.
All right, let's do that. 2 weeks on that one. And if we still, in 2 weeks is coming up and you still haven't received your discovery, let Pat know. We'll reset it again. You don't need to show up on this docket thing, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
You bet. Is Orlando Castellon with us today?
Yeah.
I'm here, Judge.
Talk to me about Spencer Kazmarek.
I received an offer yesterday. I'm meeting with my client tomorrow, but I did email the prosecutor just now that I am missing Coban, and he said he was going to search for that.
Okay. And Alexis, is this another one you're going to need some time to try to track down? Or
Nick on that one.
Yes, Judge. It was just requested today.
let's reset for 2 weeks so the state can try to find that. If the state has not contacted you in 2 weeks saying, hey, we got your co-ban, you need to call Pat, and she'll just reset this for like another 2 weeks so you don't have to show up at this docket and tell me you still don't have your co-ban, okay?
That's perfect. Thank you. Maybe excused.
You bet. Paul, talk to me about Daniel Bohan.
Judge, I am local counsel on this case with Gary Trichter, and I am regrettably a little bit behind the curve here on this. If you could reset this case for 2 weeks, I will be up to snuff and be able to tell you exactly what he's doing on it.
Okay, State, can you go ahead and get an offer sent on that one?
There's already an offer, Judge.
Paul, do you already have an offer?
Yes, sir. Like I said, I'm local counsel. If 2 weeks will let me get information sufficient to tell the court what we're doing and maybe do it.
We'll reset for 2 weeks. I just want to confirm you've already got an offer in hand.
Yes, sir.
All right, see you in 2 weeks. Got anybody else?
Nice to see everybody.
Oh, thank you. Kyle Ernst, are you with us today? I see you.
Howdy, Judge.
Jasso.
Yes, Your Honor. I have been in contact with her. I've been in court all day, but we do have an offer. We're just asking for a week reset so I can relay the offer to her.
Come on. Where have you been in court all day?
I was in Cotulla and Frio County.
They doing in-person hearings down there?
Yes, yeah.
Wow, okay. Reset for a week, no problem. Do you have an offer? Is that what you said?
Yes, we do have an offer. Yes, Your Honor.
We're good. See you in a week. Thanks.
Thank you, Judge.
David Cuellar, are you with us today?
I'm right here. Sorry, Your Honor.
Dave, talk to me about Sylvia Hernandez.
Your Honor, we received an offer yesterday and we received a better offer today, and I'm in good contact with her, and I'm sure in a week I can let you know if she's going to reject that or if we're offer.
You gonna wait till tomorrow and see if you get a still better offer?
Hoping I might be one.
Want to reset for a week and let you figure all that out?
All right. Thank you, sir.
We're good. Thanks. Tom Hilly, are you with us today?
I don't remember him on, Your Honor.
Nathan Slimane, are you with us today?
I'm here, Judge. Good afternoon.
Talk to me about Stephanie Torres.
Judge, we got an offer. If the state's available, I think we're real close. I'd like to confer just briefly.
We got 3 more pages of stuff to go over today. If you want to hang around, you're welcome to.
We can do it offline too, Judge.
But we don't have enough DAs to let you do it. I mean, if you want to just reset for a week, give you time to track them down, can we do that?
Yes, sir. Let's do that.
All good. Thanks. Ramon.
Very good. Thank you, Judge.
Ramon, I got you on a Stacy Weezar.
Yes, Your Honor. How are you? Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Are you in contact with Stacy?
I have been, but and she's called on several occasions. Let me see. Let me get off. Let me see. What email address does Pat have for her?
I would have to look for it and try and see if I have it.
Okay, let me see. I think I have a telephone number for her. Judge. I tell you what. I'm going to stay online. I'm going to look, and I'll be right back.
All right, all good.
Thank you.
Renee Munoz, are you with us today?
Correct. Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Talk to me about Veronica Antillon.
Yes, Judge. To my knowledge, had not received an offer. Either way, I believe we were sending this matter for trial.
Okay, you want a jury trial, is that correct?
That's correct, Judge.
Reset for jury trial. You have all your discovery, did you say, or not?
To my knowledge, yes, Judge.
All right. We'll see you, and God knows when we'll see you. Pat, jury trial.
All righty. I'll send it to him.
Don Wilson, are you with us today?
I don't believe so, Your Honor.
Dale, are you with us today?
I don't believe so, Your Honor.
Tom Glacier, I see you out there. Talk to me about Mark Ramirez.
Good afternoon, Judge. Judge, we got an offer today. I spoke to my client. He's accepted the offer. I'd like to set this for a plea.
Pat?
June 3rd, 2:00. I need you to email me his email address.
Will do. Maybe excuse, Your Honor.
Thanks. James Rickerson, are you with us today?
I don't believe so, Your Honor.
James Wiggins, I see you out there. Talk to me about Claudia Jimenez.
She's homeless, Your Honor. She doesn't answer the phone.
I have no idea how to contact her. She may be in the courtroom though. So I don't know if you could check.
You like physically in the courtroom?
That's my hope.
No, they would have let me know, and I don't think I have anything saying that she's there.
We're going to have to issue an FTA warrant on her. If we find her, we'll let you know immediately, and vice versa. If you find her, let us know. Okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah, out of here. And Zach, talk to me about Jolene De Leon.
Yes, Judge. She's here with us today. I got an offer from the state, and I'd like the opportunity to massage a better one.
Will a week give you enough time to do that? Will a week give you enough time, Mary?
Yes, Judge.
All right, let's reset for next week.
Thank you, Judge.
And you're out of here. Frank Sandoval, talk to me about Annabelle Mendez. Frank, put the eyes there. Frank, can you hear me? It says you're there, Frank. That means you're hiding from me.
It may be either on the phone, Your Honor, or maybe in another.
No, Judge, I'm sorry. I'm still presiding. I apologize, Judge. I'm also presiding for a 4-hour matter. We're still waiting to be sent out, but fortunately it's billable, so we're doing good.
Annabelle Mendez, what's going on with her?
Your Honor, I've lost contact with her. I tried texting her today to let her know this court date. I texted her before to let her know the previous court date, and I have not heard from her, Judge. And it gives me no pleasure to say that. That was on May 18th when I texted her, and I also reached out to her on the 11th. And last I had a communication with her was on the 6th. She did text me on April 6th, but that's the last time I've spoken with her.
Okay, we're going to have to issue a warrant for her in the nicest possible way. If we find her, we'll let you know immediately. If you find her, let us know. We'll pull the warrant.
And I will text her and let her know that as well, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thanks. Ricardo Briones, are you with us?
His client is on, Your Honor, but he is not.
Dylan George, are you with us today? Yeah, there you are. Dylan, talk to me about Augustine Castillo. Dylan, can you hear me? Your microphone is turned off. There you go.
Good afternoon, Judge. I got
talk to me about Augustine Castillo, please.
Yeah, I still haven't gotten an offer, but I also don't have a phone number that works for him anymore.
When's the last time you had contact?
It's been a while, Judge.
I'm going to have to issue an FTA warrant. If you find him, let us know. We'll pull it back. And if we find him, we'll let you know, okay?
Will do, Judge. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Your Honor, Joe Steinberg has come on and John Bettis has come on.
All right, Joe, let me find you.
Howdy, I'm representing Mr. Cup. And I still need to confer with the ADA.
Let me find you on my list. I apologize. Not turning up here.
You want a case number?
Nope.
Would that help?
Nope.
He has 2 cases.
I'll find you. Can't get over. Okay, gotcha. Douglas Cup, CUPP, correct?
Yes.
You're in contact with him, yes?
Oh, yes. In fact, he went to the courthouse this morning before he got my email saying he didn't have to appear.
Okay. Have you received an offer from the state yet?
No, sir.
State, can you send an offer on Mr. CUPP to Mr. Stenberg, and we'll reset you for a week to get the offer and talk to your client. Will that work?
Yes, Judge.
Yes.
You got anybody else today, Joe?
No, sir.
No, that's it.
Thanks.
It's been a pleasure.
Always. Always. All right. Who else is here? Keith Engelke. Do we not get to you at some point?
Well, I finally made it onto the Zoom meeting.
Who we got?
I have Mohammed Shami. He has a felony pending.
I think that it was reset. I'll double check, but I think that one was reset. And I thought I might have sent you the reset, but I'll double check.
Okay,
Okay?
maybe, maybe Fuse?
Yeah, thanks, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And John Bettis.
Ramon, what'd you find out?
Let's see. Judge, I just sent an email to her. I do have her email address, so I'm just waiting if we can give her some time.
Give me another week. Will that work?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and I'm sorry, did you tell me you had or had not received an offer yet from the state?
I have.
Okay.
I have. Maybe they can just double check to make sure that. My understanding of the last offer was just to go ahead and judgment satisfied is what somebody I thought that I read in Stacy's. Can we verify that?
Alexis, in the next week or so, can you track that down, or you want to do it right now?
We can check right now, Judge.
All right, let's check right now. Stand by, Ramon.
All right, thanks.
Pat, we haven't seen Ramon in like a month or so. Didn't he have several other cases in the past?
No, Your Honor. That's the only thing that's on today.
Okay, we're happy to see you.
I'm happy to see you too, Judge. You're looking well. What's going on with you? You ready to gear up for Fiesta?
I can stay at home for the rest of my life. It's all working for me.
Yes, it's a JSAT.
Oh, it is a JSAT offer, I'm guessing?
That sounds good. Let me just get a hold of her and we'll be
all right,
back.
Let's reset.
Thank you very much. Okay, bye-bye.
Thanks, Ron.
Thank you.
Now, John Pettis, Your Honor.
John, you're like roaches. We can't get rid of you. What's going on?
I'll wait patiently, Judge. I'll wait patiently. I've got a Philip Bettis. I just need an offer from the state.
Philip Perez, 643-213. State, we have an offer. We'll reset for a week for him to get it.
Yes, Judge.
Is that okay with you, John?
That's fine with me.
You're out of here.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good one.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, Pat.
And what do we have other attorneys with us today?
No, Your Honor. I believe these are defendants. I don't know whether they're waiting for their attorneys. I don't know who these people are. Let me find out first. I know Eden Vergaga is Mr. Briones. Galaxy A10, who are you, sir?
This is Mohammed Shami.
Okay, I believe that one was reset. So get with your attorney and he will give you the reset date, okay?
Thank you guys so much. God bless.
You're welcome. And Jacob's iPhone, can you tell me who you are, sir? Jacob's iPhone?
Hello?
Sir, what is your name?
Jacob Juarez.
What is? Oh, I think your attorney has already reset you. Hold on, Mr. Juarez, to make sure.
Okay.
Mr. Vale is coming on, Your Honor. Raymond Vale.
I thought my attorney was Ray Lopez.
Mr. Lopez has already reset you. You can leave, Mr. Juarez.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Do y'all know for which day or no?
You need to talk to him.
Ray Vale.
Hey, Judge, how are you? I'm sorry I'm running behind. I was stuck in the.
No problem. Talk to me about Riley Kendricks.
Yes, sir. I hate to say it. I got tied down last week, so I didn't get a chance to follow up with an email to the prosecutor, see if I can get some latitude on their offer. I do have an offer from them, which it's not a bad offer, but I needed to see if there was some flexibility on some of the terms.
Let me back up. You are in contact with Mr. Kendricks, correct?
I am, sir. I'm in contact with them on a very regular basis.
Up with the DA and y'all see if you can work it out. Will that work?
That'll work, Judge.
Great. See you next
One
week.
week? Next week? Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thanks, Ray.
Thanks, Judge.
Okay, and the only ones that we have left is Eden waiting for Mr. Briones. Ms. Vergara, I would suggest you need to contact him because we probably are not going to be staying on much longer.
Okay, yes, ma'am. I will do that.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, let's come off of YouTube, please.
Your Honor, we've got Montoya, Isidro Montoya coming on.
Isidro. Your microphone is off, Mr. Montoya.
Judge, I apologize. My router went out and Spectrum was able to do something from their side.
We're happy to see you. Let me see if I can find you. No, I'm looking for you here.
I have Mr. Raymond Torres, 653-914.
I'm looking. I got you. What's going on with Mr. Torres? Are you in contact with him?
Yes, Judge. In fact, I called A Action bail bonds because his number wasn't working, so I got a better number from A Action.
Okay.
And we talked this morning, and I told him that I was going to have a Zoom meeting with the court and maybe get an offer from the DA, and then I'll convey it to him, and then we'll go from there.
State, we're kind of down. You want to give him an oral offer right now, or do you need a week to send him an offer on this one? This is the failure to ID.
I don't have one right now, Judge.
Let's reset for a week, Isidro, to give her a chance to send you an offer.
Yes, Judge.
Talk over your client. Let us know what you want to do next week. Will that work?
That'll be perfect, Judge. And again, I apologize for being so late.
Don't worry about it. Thanks.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?